Good morning, and we're continuing with our circuit analysis, mesh analysis. Dolphy Gilpin is your host, instructor. And quickly, we move on very quickly now. And so we have calculated the determinant, delta 2, of this circuitry. Let's draw a line here. We use V equals Ri, and we have a 480 volt source, volts in mesh 1, 0 and 0 in mesh 2 and 3. All right, so we say now that delta, the determinant, was equal to this for this matrix, circuit, 3-mesh circuit, and delta for this one now we have calculated to be for this. So we call this delta 1 for this 3-mesh circuit, and delta 2 for this other 3-mesh circuit. Let's derive some of the values. Now, for the numerator value, this is the determinant for the denominator. Numerator value, we say that to calculate the circuit current, we say that NI1, we want to derive the current in mesh 1, is equal to now, and we replace the first column in this matrix by the voltage value, and then we get now 480, 00, minus 02, 11, and 05, and 00, 05, and 09. These were the resistances gathered from inspection. And that would give us the numerator value for the current. And we say now that I will be equals now to NI11 over delta, which is the determinant of the source matrix. And we know delta is equal to the determinant of this matrix for this circuit, and the determinant this for this circuit. All right, so we say now that NI1 equals the determinant of this matrix. So let's do it. And we only have to find for one column. So if we say this will be equals now to, if we do it by the matrix, it will be equal now to 480, 00, minus 02, 11, and 05, 00, 05, and 09 over delta, which would be, we're using this matrix here, 07, determinant 07, 02, 00, 02, 11, 05, 00, 05, and 09. And so delta, the current I1 would be equal to that. I'll be just doing the calculating for one of these, and then we'll just set up circuitry in which we'll assume that we're going to have the solution to these matrix problems are more tangible. All right, so that would be our problem to calculate the determinants. It will be the problem for us to set up the mesh circuitry and to find the N, I1, I2, and I3. I2 would be equals now to, I2 would be equals now to N, I12 over delta. And to find N, I12, we simply have to replace the value of for this circuit, the value of the second column with the voltage value. We say that the numerator value Ni2 would be equal now to 07, 02, 00, 480, 00, 00, 05, and 09 resistance, determinant of that. So this will be for Ni1. And delta will be equal now to the determinant of this matrix. Equal now to 07, 02, 00, minus 02, 11, 05, and 00, 05, 09. So that would be for I2, and I3 would be equal now to, similarly, I3 is equal to N I3 over delta, and that would be equal now to, replace the voltage value in this determinant by the voltage value in the third column. So we have now the numerator value first, which is equal now to, when we replace the voltage value, we'll get 0.7, 0.2, 0.0, minus 0.2, 1.1, and 0.5, and the voltage value now will be 480, 0, and 0. So we find now I1, I2, and I3. All right, let's take a break here. When we return, we'll actually find the I2 by finding the determinants, and can calculate some power, V equals Ri, and we'll set up some other 3x3 circuitry. So when we return, we'll do just that. So let's take a short break.